MyPaaa. Okay, open MyPaaa. Go to my store. All our online store. It can be food and beverage. It can be restaurant. It can be grocery or any other item. All are in my store tab. Okay, tap on my store. Then go to click on restaurant, and the from the second list with all the second list actually for the subcategory all. There are different type of restaurant: Chinese, Indian, Bangla, mixed, catering, Italian, Arabian, cake. There's also cake. Okay, we just click on cake, and the cake item or a sweetmeat item has been there are three vendor there. So we tap on the middle one, Pitano. So I can view their profile, their business profile, business profile, their address, their criteria, their delivery range, and how much they charge for kilometer, and minimum delivery time 6 hour. Okay, actually they after order they prepare their food. So this is a different type. So this is good actually. You can view that in MyPaaa. We have a lots of variety, and we give the all options to the vendor, not our rule. It's the merchants rule. Merchants define their rules. Okay, if I click on order, the order form will open. From the first tab, I can see that home delivery or pre-order. I have options for home delivery or self pickup. And the second one is actually our product menu. We can go through our product menu. We have cakes, some pancake, chocolate cake. Okay, we order some 20 chocolate cake, and so chocolate cake has been there. If we want some pita, actually, if we tap 5 times or four times, it will, the quantity will increase. But actually we need more. We can do some 26. Okay, we make it 26. Pita party kheer patisapta has been added. Okay, let's complete the wrap the order. Okay, I can also review in my card. So there is 26 kheer patisapta and 20 chocolate pancake. So that's all. If I submit, actually I have to enter, because I have choose home delivery, so I have to provide my delivery address. Side note: if delivery address, actually all will save, because I have ordered 2 times using MyPaaa, not that particular vendor, but any vendor. The address will be saved, and I can use that address for my other order also. So I choose this one my address also. So I just complete my order. So my order is completed. It may took few seconds to. Okay, the order has been done. So if I go to my notes, if I go to my notes, I can, there is a shopping cart. Actually, these all my online order will be listed here. So there is showing one, because I have ordered three three order in Pitano. So three order in Pitano. So all my online order will be listed here. So if I click on Pitano, I can see my order there. So Farhan Ahmed, so this is my last order. It's 33 seconds ago. So if I click there, I can also review my order. That's my order. That's been 26 kheer patisapta and chocolate pancake 20. So I can review my order. I can see what they're charging, because this vendor actually is, and we are actually sharing the same apartment building. So and the delivery charge is very low. So it's good, because the system will auto generate this delivery charge based on my location. So that's all from a user point of view, how they can order and review their order online. Thank you very much.